I realized that I hadn't showed you guys what a regular knitting loom set looks like and what to expect in it. So today I just purchased one of the Loops and Threads Knit Quick circular knitting sets to show you guys what unboxing one looks like. You can get these sets at Michael's and they are $16. I already own a set, but I didn't have the instructions or the bag, so I just went ahead and got another one to show you guys the unboxing. Okay, so here's the back and it shows what it comes with and tells you that you can make like hats, shawls, and so many more things, and it comes with 4 looms, 1 hook, and 1 needle. Here's what everything looks like after taking the materials out of the box. The 4 looms that come with this set are the 24 peg loom, the 31 peg loom, the 36 peg loom, and the 41 peg loom. Here's a quick look at the loom and the inside of it and the back. And finally, the instructions and the loom tool and darning needle. The instructions just go through basic techniques on how to knit. Just a few hats I've made with this loom so you can just see what they look like. Now for the final and ultimate question. Is this loom worth it? Yes, I definitely think it is worth it for anyone who's trying to find good quality beginner's looms to start the career in loom knitting. I really recommend these looms because they are affordable and right for their price. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Please like and subscribe. Bye!